Rero kwambĩrĩria tarĩki 3 mwanka tarĩki 5 na irotetheria mbi because kwĩ Kenya baba ingi ba uchiude rwiro rũrĩ twithera rwĩ rwambi na tuko burwari ura utuwatie kwariria mantu ingi rwiro runa mantu yangi otungata bo Meru University na Dr. Timothy ni worongamirite rwangiro wa michetho ndene ya university so wethera kerania batu klukira 23578 na beto SMS kana kiri mitandao yetu ya kinyandiria kethera nkithoma ntumiri ciako. Karibu sana daktari.
Asante sana bwana Edward.
Wow. Yeah. Now, wikara unakaa tu sport.
Kabisa.
We mutethi.
Oni ndachetha ndi munini.
Yes.
Na training yakwa ni ya sports. P and sports science. I've done it at bachelor's level, at a master's level, and up to PhD level. That is Kenyatta University and University of Nairobi. Wow. And then I've made it when I experience here over 20 years. Over 20, this is my 25th year as a sports administrator. 15 years at university level.
Yes. That's great. Now before tuita na ukiri rwiro rwa kirimene. Meru University gwitita because chukuru ningi and then bora ya guguchoka kana you ongoing.
Yeah, right now chukuru ningi twaingire end of April nikenda rito beta attachment bange beta teaching practice na first years and second years baba inge be long holiday lakini netokurugora next week on Tuesday na these are first years nakambuge for the first time ever kuma Meru University kwamberia the year 2009. This is the time tumbete kugwata aruto baingi that 5,600 and something. 5,600. That's a very big number. Some universities in Kenya on that 5,000 from first year to fourth year. But Murungu natonekanirite ni together tuikaribisha 5,600 as from Tuesday next week. Na hitu ibaliritie wega.
Wow.
Yes.
Kwenda transfers chithira chirio tia ritwa bucita inter-institution transfers chithiri kithirika. Ibu chitite na mbere kinya thai?
Ni chitite na mbere. Ukethira kwina arutwo bakuja gwetu. But few bagita ingi. We are happy. Nuntu numbers yetu itasenche sana. In fact mbere ya window ya mwicho eruguru I think last week some of our programs chiari kujura kulingana na allocations ira tuweine COOPs. Ukethira nande muritwa na yakwenda kuthithia certain program akero ni ujuri ni yakwenda kuthithia ingi akero ni ujuri but ile twachokere window ya ruguru kidogo twanya kidogo in several programs lakini mbuge there are still some programs ile itujurite kabisa like in some courses in School of Health Sciences nitukwenda rutwa but ingi sana and I think by the end of tomorrow all these spaces might be full, which means ugetage kubonyeza unaambiwa rejected. Ugure kwenda kweja Meru University of Science and Technology, this is the time between today na maybe tomorrow noon. Yes.
So achieri barabe na maybe by the school yenu maybe mutiara bati kumenya before mwana join Meru University. Yeah. They mutiari yes ndi kwenda kureta mwana.
Yes.
Ndene ya Meru University. Ndi mutiari mbati kumenya. Is there anything I should know? As a
direction or what?
Maybe kuina into kadhaa mwana bati kwithira na bio kithanu ribo fees.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Kambuge Meru University of Science and Technology is ni university mwere ndenkiuga ni very flexible. Such that regardless of mapato maku gwe antu bakira muno kuthi university bakona takai too expensive no manko thithia rambi nambi mantaze jau. Meru University is very flexible, ni very flexible. Kogumbere achiari baba kwenda kuleta aruto ana bao Meru University. Bakego beno gwa. The most important thing ni eti university. Ni arete mwana. Areta mwana. The basic things ni amenye there are some rooms in the university to an hostels, though they are not very many. Na akedwa akaga room within the university. Nontu gute university in this country inkiona hostels jakwegana. Outside the university, a distance of 2-3 kilometers away and close to the tarmac, to an hostels nyingi ira tumbita kwaria na the landlords beja mushemani officers by university beta batega na bona there are good rooms that university students can live in. Na nikionkuga the first thing ni nyomba. Maybe that is what scares so many. Nikeke makithagia so many parents. Mwana wakaga akaragana. Ewete kedwe na problem. Tueje manto ja fees. Kiune gento kenge sumbura achiari na ritwa. Meru University ni dawe very flexible. Liambe sheire wenajio. Explain, this is the amount that I have. But definitely kambu goteke jenjaranderi nonto this university ina rutingoki. Bakenda muchara mwisho wa mwezi jo. Bakenda muchara mwisho wa mwezi jo. Otabura kinya ugo na aliori. Okenda muchara. But then Meru University itekarita university kadha itekagweta marietwa.
Yeah, true.
Whereby otelete full fees. Otomba gwetekerio kinya gotonya in the system. For us we listen. Netudikaira. Because we understand nitukuelewa country yetu ira turi. Na kila tukwenda ni mwaneja athoma acoka gwita ome so that he can serve the public. Kenda omba gutongeria na uome. So we are flexible.
Wow.
Achari na aruto baketho beno gwa.
So kwina bintu barabenda kuthoma ithi ya working iba kwenda kuya kuthoma mtu no aturie kwina kanya ka kuthoma ruthine kwina kanya ka kuthoma part time kana bwethira bwina arito baraba batikuthoma aki 8 rebo batikuthoma maybe the normal learning time kutina baraba thoma part time kutina kuthoma ruthine kwina twanya tontu bara batumba kuthoma full time.
Yes tamurutingoke taugwe
yeah
ukenda kweja kuthithia that other higher level.
Yeah,
of course you kuna arrangements tia part time jioni kana weekends. For example town campus ile at towers opposite Meru police station to that no courses nyingi no kethira majority of those students ni baba bathomaga over the weekends kana evening baumango gine chiao lakini nchiro na main campus ukethira majority of the students ni barabe full time. Yes, kogune to that flexible masters of course ne part time blended, that is whereby kuna physical classes na online classes. Kogumu mtu na kedwe Nairobi kana edwe Mandera ni akothomera na Mandera na gwate degree ya Meru University of Science and Technology. Yes.
Lastly, before tuitakiri the main topic here today.
Yes.
Kwina kintu kithira kikujiria antu kwe akiri institution fulani.
Yes.
Especially main campus na around Chiro.
Yes.
So why should someone choose kwe akiri Meru University, the environment, whatever? Why should I choose kwe akiri Meru University?
Kambuge kiambere buru ndiari mbere na bandi ajiari. Muchiari mbere era mwana wae ndinkenda uthi Meru University kambite kuthithia research agachunkuna pio agamenya is this institution nembega chukuru ene bui university ene bui e produce anto bakariate e baba produce last year but one bakariate ukone babui kana batebui kendo kera mwana waku eta A kana ogeta B. Meru University courses sieto ni courses bui and there are many. We have 80 schools na different courses, different programs.
Yeah.
Arimebeto na hapa gweta TP. Majority of them are being nekaba go retained. Akerwa wakati utamaliza TP, sisi tutakupatia nafasi hapa, usiende kwingine, usiangalie kwingine. Baba kuthi practicum. Practicum ni iria arito betaga mbere ya beta TP, betha dia bageta practicum, nikenda bathi bakithiria for thia bageta TP, teaching practice. Baba practicum bainga kabarega wonabo ukerwa wakati wa teaching practice utekete kungi ije suguru yetu atugakunenkera nafasi ya TP. So our courses are good, our graduates are all over, they are accepted. Nuntunati netukuthingatira mawatho ma commission ya university education chara ruko kabisa. Na tukethirwo twina facilities ja kwona kambura urerie mwanki bandi yakwako ndi in charge of sports Meru University. I also teach PE and sports science. Nambuge when it comes to sports na nokumenya, that is one of the things ni gintu kimwe kira gikujagia antu babethi gintu gitagwo sports. Meru University ni exeraga kana ni thawe kithiagia bwega in sports, not only in Kenya, that is nationally, but also when we go for East Africa Games. We also take some teams for international competitions, and we have been doing well. Na nituthatwina a variety of sports disciplines. Imwe iraitena nyingi iraiteke secondary school. Ntekwaliria football, ntekwaliria volleyball, ntekwaliria basketball. Nderiria things maybe ona amba kwithirwo tachigwa. Utegwa game witagwa koko. We have students who are in the national team. Kwina game wigwitwa woodball. That une game tuiketie mpaka Malaysia, and our students were number 3. They brought a bronze medal. In East Africa, we are number 1 in that. 5 years in a row. Miaka itano. Kwa mtu aliendete michezo atera ida konge agawa kambe ya Meru University. We have a swimming pool that we are going to commission early next month. It is at its final touches. It's 96% complete. How many universities in this country have a swimming pool? Very few. Yeah, we have so many games. Our facilities are good. Our labs are good. Where we do practicals, agriculture and whatnot, we are okay. So, olea kwenda kwa Meru, olea resiriti, olea gatakate, fence sita, betende engi, choose Meru University today. Yes.
Itwethere Kiri mantigi digital, how prepared are you Kiri uchinchia kumutura yero twatwire yo wa analog twareta mantu yonde Kiri digital?
Mbuga nokugo tureto Meru University of Science and Technology. IT in Meru University is high tech. When it comes to paying fees payment, registration of registration ya units, ngwedi rotene dakwira ituthatwe na blended kind of teaching whereby no itho in class moja kwa moja kana ugetho we ona lori ono ngalinia ku drive itu we ina taxi bado no kwa lina to baku wherever they are. So as far as digital matters digital in Meru University tukabere several institutions in this country.
All right.
Yes.
Now let's come Kiri Monte Mountain Run.
Yes.
Is it the second edition?
Yes.
So origin yaruroi yarimpi and idibobangite rura this year.
Kambuge origin ya rururu ya umaniria na council. We have a very vibrant council, university council. Ego tegera yona yes kwina mbecha hii arutoba kuleta kwina mbecha ingi kuma yandea. This money is not enough. Ni arutoba ba ingi out of, like now I told you we are going to get 5,600 plus first years. Out of 5,600 first years, totiaga tangirie mwe baumite from very humble backgrounds. Uwo no kainya ne teiga nitakuinya igari rutarojo kemwera ria mbeca cia bisi. What will happen to such a student? Ukethira akothirwa karambi kidogo akuria bisi itikwigana akuremwa kuria mbeca ciae within a very short time akuromba semester off, an year off. Muntu graduate after 4 years, graduate after 5 years. He has wasted a whole year. 12 good months is a lot of time. Ni mbeca bali wata for 12 good months. So our council, yes, what do we do? Nembi tuengethithia. Tukaomba gutetheria mbi antu baba gwitwa arutwa baba tikwomba. So last year, the university council formed a committee within the university na yeta antu bange from outside beja gututetheria. We started our race. Twamita Mount Kenya, Meru University Mount Kenya Mountain Run. Iria twathondekire Sunday 7th of September, the year 2025. Very colorful, very well attended, with 776 athletes. Baba amatukire. Bauni bako matukai. But the crowd that came to witness, to sell their kwendia into biao, mashabiki, nabangewe, there were over 5,000. Kirende kionte. So it was very successful. Na tuliona 2026 edition. Ireri wikethwa itariki 5 on a Saturday. 2 weeks to come, September 2026. Igumi tukuona ikethirwo bigger na better. Na already kambuge ne twambiritie kugwata especially na biashara. Ino tubwa crowd. Nukuona there are several baba kwenda kuija kugitate. Kuija kurithia biashara jao. Why? Nuntu last year it was a success. And let me tell you, inaugural kana event ya mbere mostly it is a wembera. It either it can make you lose hope kana ukethira ni hafifu. Yet it was successful. In fact, our chancellor oleta kwa Dr. Peter Ndegwa, who is the CEO of Safaricom. He was very surprised. Nuntu kiria terete either tureka ku break even, cannot slightly to break even. But let me tell you, it was very successful and he was very happy.
All right.
Yes.
So apart from fund needy students,
yes,
what else maybe Rurororo kwenteli kutetheria?
This year tujeta na theme ya mantu jathatu. Number 1, tutetiga kithomo. Nuntu that was the main and that is the main thing that the university does.
Yeah.
Kithomo. Lakini kwena gintu kingi tuthithagia as a university, research. And ours is a research university. Twauga the second thing, okay, the first thing is about education, gutetheria baubate kuyumba. Number 2, research. Na research ira tukwenda muno. Research ni nyingi ratu University of Meru University of Science and Technology kiumba kuthithia. Lakini ira muhimu thai ni ya cancer. You and I and several other people know. Meru County has been topping year in, year out in prevalence cases ja cancer. Ni tukwenda kumenya why and what we can do. So, but then research ni endagambia. Where do we get money from? Government funding is little. So we have to look for money. No mwanga tuchue mbesha from various. Number 3, itazo ya conservation. Tukianda miti mingi sana. Na kambuge Meru University main campus. Ona tukurukitie the percentage ire ndekene ira tuithaga tukinuia kwetho twenio ya forest cover. Na no tukwenda kuongera miti. Koguo aria marimba tuketho tukianda miti na tukendelea ona kuandona even main campus. So there are 3 things: education, research on cancer, and then conservation.
How do I participate? Ni hata mbao participate kiri Rurororo?
Rurororo ku participate gutena inyere yo. Very simple. All you need is 2,500. And tobamo balira idea 2,500 ni mo bakaona takai pesa nyingi muno. Let me say 2,500. They megani very simply. 2,500. What register na 2,500? 1,000 ni registration.
Yeah.
500 ni ankobia. 1,000 ni t-shirt ite. Which means watu nankera 2,500 tuwagucokeria 1,500. Noamba gushinda kiawa. Washinda kiawa kia 20,000. How much will you go home with? 1,500 plus 20,000. How much is that? 21,500. Yes. So registration is 2,500. It is as simple as that. Antu bete website ya Meru University, unabonyeza igaku guide. Na ewe toko di cyber.
Yeah.
Unaenda kwa simu yako. Very simple. We have done it. Very aitieto nitume make it simple. Such that Jojo ule akomba kuthoma 1 2 3 4 ABCD. No wete haraka bonyeza. Agaelwa. Next. Akabonyeza. Weka pesa. Akabonyeza. You are registered. Ukinaona namba yako. Na ukinatumira message.
Website ilithomate.
Ntumba kumiririka na offered, but maybe ngagutumira no umeposti ke screen.
All right.
Yeah.
So venue ya this run ikethire ina.
Venue ya this run yale kugwita Marimba campus. Marimba campus niko. Urauma Meru town, nuitetia Githongo. Kana umetia Nkobo, ugaiteria gugu. That is where our venue is. Where we had it last year. It is an ideal place. Kana ni antuega ge ewe gwitwa mountain run. Very serene place. In fact, uko na ambisha ila twaringire last year. I think that is one of the things that is attracting more entrants. Mwaka juu. It will be in Marimba campus. Na taboro wambiriria kuga it will be 3 days.
Yeah.
3 days. Tulira antu nebeje. Kuketho kwena tents. Ijana family yako. Karala tent on Thursday. Olale Thursday. Olale Friday.
Yeah.
Saturday tuende kwa mbio. Lala tena Saturday. Sanduke nana. Kenda Monday wongo wene chako. It will be a village.
Wow.
Tumetaga park and chill. Beta ukapanga ugweta isioro, ukapaki, ukachill. Sasa kuja mahali kunaitwa Marimba. Park and chill in Marimba for 3 days. And it will be pocket friendly. Tembesha nyingi.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah.
So categories, kuna categories?
Yes. Of course, itu tenda kunenkera ntu ponde category mo.
Yeah.
Nonto we are able differently. Categories ni hii. Category number 1, kuna 14 km race. Euni ogi baria professional 14 kilometers. Men and women. Na ina zawadi jayo. Number 2, kuna 80 kilometers race ya masters. Masters ni baliko. Baba ale professionals, bazeka kidogo balitaya, lakini batenda kulitaya kabisa. They have their own race. 50 years and above. 50, 51, 60, 70. Men and women. 80 kilometers. Number 3, kuna batu gwita seniors. Taogwe. Na mtu wa miaka 30, 40, 45, 25. Bauni seniors tole ba Ruiro wao na rune 80 kilometers. Men and women 80 kilometers. Na bena zawadi yao. Alafu kuna Ruiro rungerwa under 20 years. Boys and girls na students. Bora tu ukedhoena dhibati ya kwamba uwe mwanafunzi wa university, wa college, wa polytechnic or whatnot. Na rune 80 kilometers na bena zawadi yao. Lastly, tuena Ruiro rwa 3 kilometers rwa CEOs, rwa fan, tuana tunini turatutumbago matoka araja. Those people maybe maybe you have an injury somewhere, you want to keep fit, you want to go urenda gwita upokearagia na mugitonga mu biashara fulani book exchange ideas. 3 kilometers race. Yes, that one is for fun. Yes.
So awarding
alafu kuna corporates.
Oh yeah.
Leuta Wero TV.
Yeah.
You see? This company book agent antobenu na buena Ruiro. Biole ugotenenkerwa cash money. Biyo gana nkero ikombe. Number 1 2 3. Yes. Wero TV. Maybe we get our attention. Go uje ngi go.
Wait, that's okay. Yeah. So awarding ikethre kadiate.
As in
kuina maybe in those categories kuketha kuina awarding ya categories.
Yeah. The biggest award mostly dija ke ewe gwitwa elite race. That is the main race.
Yeah.
World over. Unene nkagirwa zawadi nene. Na last year tuanenkanile 200,000 ke number 1. Number 1 woman, number 1 man. 150, number 2. Woman, men. Ogu. Mpaka wa mwisho number 10. Nkethwa ntegwetia. Ntunteririkana everything offered.
Yeah.
Number 10 agwata ngiri 10. Last year kibaba gwetwa 80 kilometers. Number 1 agwata 40,000. Wa mwisho number 10 agwata 5,000. This year the trend ndikuona gishinjia nene. If anything ke elite katu nkiongera mbesa, so that because we want to make this race international. Remember it has been race yetu, event yetu ne tekeritu ne K Athletics Kenya. Na Athletics Kenya ne betabe affiliated ke other athletics. Kogu na race yetu ni part of many races in Athletics Kenya calendar. Ino ni a mountain run, category a mountain run. Na netuwerirwe ni Athletics Kenya. It will also be a qualifier. It will be used as a qualifier. Mtolenge shinda no equally international. So we want to make it as international like as possible.
Wow.
Niketu muku wankiuga 200 yuko ni areo last year for number 1. Tuyo tumekete ata tumeongelele. But this is something that we are going to tell the athletes soon and very soon, before the end of this week. Yes.
Because I can see our time is running out.
Yeah.
Time. Murero rukambiria on Saturday rukambiria to time.
Rwero rwetu turenda rwambiria 7 am.
7 am.
Mbere akariwa kaimba.
Yeah.
Na tucerere to muno 7:30. You know, it's good to be flexible. Tukokomenya jamwe ketho kalia. Ndigwerire last year there were 5,000 people.
Yeah.
This time around epakatha by 6,000. Nukona kukatha kuna jam. But we get program yetu turenda kwambiria race at exactly 7 am.
All right.
Yes, so that by noon Antonio Goshangaruka bonkwirire come back and chill. Leo kwambiria around 12 noon or around 1 pm. Wana muziki wako pale, wakipiga muziki wao, wale wanauza vitu yao wanauza pale, chakula kinauzwa pale, vinywaji vinauzwa pale na mteto, so that the family can mingle. Your family and my family can mingle.
So daktari tukiri haro ariro wetu tukuboru are maybe message iriko wene okero watu tikirite.
Message irande nke January nembuge Meru University of Science and Technology ne university yombeta gukura na rate nene. Especially in the last 6 years since our VC, new VC, the current VC, Professor Romano Odhiambo, Akweja. And then, since we got the new council, we have seen things growing. In fact, Arutoba be long holiday. Beja Meru University, as from Tuesday, they will find a very new place. So Meru University is a good place. And then, Buge, Ruiroro to Enaru, Neruro Abata. Tukironchium denontunio turonchire ruroro kuria university our chaplain atweli ateli atudomere mbuku ya I think Genesis, and it was talking about kuria kidogo na gutigaria kidogo. Na somebody said it is African otithiagia indiro uketha kana ugatigia kidogo, so that the person who had not planted can also come and get. Riu naguri wakwataka mushara gako. Gwewe muthikeri ugutuona na muthikeri wetu. Kamushara gako wagwata. Ukiria ririkana kwena muntu fulani ukaria 2,500 nuntu bwarwiro. Ukethwa ugitethagia mwana utije lakini utekumenya agutethia na njira iriko.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
Thank you Dr. Notubo kuona kanya. And thank you very much kiribara bonde ba utuona utukuboru ari chumirie ukinye kiriro ru kendo utethere mwana ro tuchiumba utethere kurana murimu ya cancer na kinya kumenyera rira retu ndeka inkaitite ndokazwa karia akethira ina wekirinte to chia weru thaithatu.
Eje ni Weru TV.